What's good? Family, welcome back to AI Hustle Vault 302, where I show you the smartest ways to use AI to create real income streams in 2025. Today's video is simple but powerful. I'm breaking down 3 of the easiest AI tools that can help you build passive income, even if you're starting from zero. No coding, no experience, just smart systems. Let's get right into it. Tool number 1, Opus Clip. First up is Opus Clip. This tool takes any long video, a podcast, webinar, YouTube video, and automatically cuts it into viral-style short clips. This is an easy passive income play because you can sell short-form editing as a service, you can repurpose your own videos to grow faster, brands need this nonstop, and Opus does 80% of the work for you. How it prints income. Start a Shorts Reels TikTok pack on Fiverr Upwork. Offer 10 clips per week to creators. Charge $200 to $600 per month retainers. Opus handles the heavy lifting, you just package and deliver. Talking line, you're basically letting AI do the editing while you collect subscription income. Tool number 2, ChatGPT plus Canva. Automation, hands-off digital product creation. This combo is a cheat code. ChatGPT helps you brainstorm, outline, and write digital products, and Canva builds the visuals. What makes this passive is that once you create the product, it sells forever. Digital products you can create today: journals, templates, planners, checklists, ebooks, social media bundles. Where to sell? Etsy, Gumroad, Shopify, TikTok Shop. Imagine creating a digital product once and waking up to sales for months. That's why this tool combo is perfect for beginners. Tool number 3, 11 Labs, AI voice automation. 11 Labs is one of the most realistic AI voice tools on the market. This unlocks passive income because so many creators need voiceovers, audiobooks, video narrations, and short-form TikTok scripts recorded, and you can automate the entire process. Income stream ideas. Sell AI voiceover gigs. Create faceless YouTube channels. Build audiobooks from public domain books. Offer narration for TikTok. UGC creators. You don't need to be a voice actor. The AI does the talking. You just deliver the product. If you want more AI side hustles, templates, and full beginner blueprints, make sure you subscribe to AI Hustle Vault 302. Drop a comment telling me which tool you want a full walkthrough on next. Until next time, keep building smart, keep hustling, and I'll see you in the next one.